In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Twilio SMS 2025 step by step. Start by opening the Twilio SMS guide. Think of this as your roadmap. It lays out the journey from setup to sending and receiving messages, and it links to the exact places you'll need in the Twilio console and docs. Begin by creating and configuring your Twilio account. Head to the Twilio website and sign up. During setup, you'll define what you want to build and enable SMS for your project. The console will walk you through initial configuration and show you where to find your credentials. Keep those credentials private and secure, and use them only inside your development environment. Next, it's time to send your first SMS using the API. In the guide, choose your preferred programming language: Python, Node.js, PHP, or another supported SDK, and follow the quick start shown on screen. Twilio's code samples are pre-filled with placeholders, so you can drop in your own details and run a single command to send a test message. If you're new to this, run the exact snippet from the guide first, then customize the message body and sender once you see a successful delivery. Now set up two-way communication so you can handle incoming messages. In the Twilio console, open your phone number settings and look for the messaging section. Configure the webhook for incoming messages to point to a public URL on your server that accepts post requests. Your server should return TWML or a JSON response to acknowledge and optionally reply. This is what lets your application react to user replies, trigger automations, or log conversations. For a cleaner, more scalable setup, consider using a messaging service. A messaging service is a container that groups your senders, such as long codes, toll-free numbers, or short codes, and lets you send through the service instead of targeting a single number. This centralizes configuration and makes it easier to add or rotate numbers as you grow. Before you go further, make sure you're compliant and optimized for deliverability. Clearly define your use case, whether it's notifications, marketing, or verification, and align your content and frequency with that purpose. Provide clear opt-in and opt-out language where required, and follow local regulations to keep your routes healthy and your messages landing consistently. Finally, explore scaling and advanced features. One practical capability is message scheduling, which lets you queue a message to send later, perfect for reminders, drip campaigns, or time zone-friendly notifications. And that's the workflow. Consult the guide, set up your account, send a test, handle replies with a webhook, organize senders with a messaging service, stay compliant, and schedule messages as needed. Follow along with the guide links in your console, and you'll be ready to launch reliable SMS in your application.